Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm just holding my camera because I'm going to show you another one of my favorite lunches to enjoy. And it could be for dinner. It can actually be a snack, and it is going to be my Cobb salad. Okay, super healthy and delicious. Now, every time I have any meal, I make sure I eat a lot of vegetables, okay? Now, all my recipes, I always say this, are versatile. So don't worry if you don't have the exact ingredients that I have. Just look in your fridge, look in your cupboards, and see what you have and what you like. You can also prepare a shopping list and get lots and lots of different ingredients. When you have it in the house, then you won't veer. That's right. It's a test. Anyways, depending on when you're watching this, I'm at home. I'm teaching from home virtual, and that's really different. We did it last year as well, but it's really interesting, but I enjoy it actually. So being home has given me a lot more time to prepare things here. I always bring stuff with me anyways to work, but it's always easier to work right from your kitchen so that everything's nice and fresh every day. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you my Cobb salad. Remember, all my ingredients and directions are under my videos. Make sure that you've subscribed, that you like my video. In the comments, tell me what you think, comment below, ask me questions, and take pictures of my recipes, okay? And then tag me, because I love seeing what you've done, or if you changed things up, comment below. All right, so let's get to it. My delicious Cobb salad. All right, so here it is. All right, look at how big and beautiful this looks. All right, and we eat with our eyes. So I buy these huge bowls. Look at that size bowl from the dollar store, just like a lot of my other salads. And underneath all of this, you can't see, I usually take a big handful of spinach, and I cut up about probably a cup's worth of romaine into just little bite-sized pieces. Let me just show you here, just like that, okay? So for a Cobb salad, it wouldn't be a Cobb salad without some chicken meat. And I love barbecue chicken, whatever chicken meat you have. All right, you can buy it already cooked. And this was leftover from a barbecue chicken that we got. You can get them at Costco, Metro, wherever your grocery stores, or you just make your own and you can buy them in packages. I love avocado, and just, about a couple of tablespoons worth. We always have some avocados here. My daughter loves them too. And you can check out my avocado toast, of course, I'm going to tell you. And lots of veggies. So I have some yellow pepper as well, and cucumber, some shredded carrot, some broccoli. And you've noticed other ingredients too. Again, it's versatile. So I had some sun-dried tomatoes. I had some black olives. I had these wisps, Parmesan wisps. I love these Parmesan wisps, and you can get the big bags at Costco and in your health food stores, at the low-carb grocery store. And I have the craisins, the ocean spray, 50% less sugar, just about a teaspoon or so. I love some crunch, so I have some almonds in here, about a tablespoon, and some hard-boiled egg because, for our Cobb salad, we want some egg as well. And it's hiding, but I had some grated Zerto cheese. And, this is a high protein and definitely a lower fat option. A lot of times when you order Cobb salads, if you're ordering them out, it has to do a lot with the dressing and with the blue cheese. I mean, if you sprinkle a little bit of blue cheese, it won't hurt you. I didn't have any of my blue cheese dressing, or blue cheese here. So you improvise and use what you can and what you have, obviously. Now, you don't have to use blue cheese dressing. I have my Lighthouse Opa Ranch or poppy seed. And another thing I love are these sugar-free different syrups, okay? Blueberry, raspberry, pineapple. I have lots. And I like to mix it with some balsamic vinegar. And if you wanted a little creamy, you could add like a teaspoon or tablespoon of some ranch. And I love doing that as well. Now, I like having a lower carb at lunch. I like my heavier meal at dinner, but whatever you decide, these are pierogies, okay? I'm just going to show you the name pierogies, and they're popped grains. And you can get them in different stores. You can check it out. And they're just nice and crispy. And I absolutely love them. So I add that. But you can have your toast or your 2-ingredient bagel like I've made on my YouTube channel, or my microwave mug buns. You can check those out, or my tortillas, or any tortillas I love, or pitas. Okay, so don't not have a carb, okay? Have a carb if you want a carb, and enjoy. But this is going to keep you satisfied and filled. And you could add seeds. You can add any nut. You can add any fruit. I have some chopped apple. I guess I forgot to mention that, but it's hiding in here too. Oh, there it is underneath the wisps. So I have some apple and any berry. Berries are very low and high in sugar and high in fiber. So you could add some berries. Again, a nice big salad. You can have it for lunch. This is my lunch, but it could be for dinner. It could be after workout if you want to make it a little bit smaller, or not if you're really hungry. Okay. And it just looks and tastes amazing. So I hope you love this video. Let me around again. Here I am. I'm back again. And I hope you love this video. It was just easier to do it that way. And please comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell option so you're notified when my newest videos are posted and published, okay? So I can't wait to hear from you guys. Enjoy your Cobb salad. And when you make it, please take a picture and show me, okay? Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.